What is going on, everyone? Car Guy V8 here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to go through the gears with your B&M Z-Gate shifter. Off the top of my head, I believe the part number is 80681. It's more of a budget shifter. It came with this car, so I got it for free, but I did install it. It's actually really simple to use once you get the hang of it, but the first time you use it, it might be a little difficult just because of the lever here, but I'll show you how to use it. I'll zoom the camera in and we'll show it, and then I'll drive a little bit with it and show a couple of pulls. Here's a close-up of the shifter. As you can see, I did not use the plastic base that came with it. This is a bare bones drag car, so I think the mechanical look suits it more. To put it in reverse, we're going to pull up on this lever. You notice all these slots over here. There is an arm on this side that easily glides into each one of those slots when you move the shifter. And of course, all this is covered by the base, but in my Turbo 400, 2 slots back is reverse, so that is reverse. From reverse, you can easily throw it into neutral and drive without hitting the lever again. It'll easily glide from neutral to drive at any point, just in case you need to emergency put it in neutral or whatever. Second, then you'll pull up further, and that's first. And of course, this is a slap shifter, so you slap it. That's second. It's not going to overshift. I'm putting pressure. Let off. You're in second. You're going, up through the RPM range, right back to drive. Then you got neutral again, drive, second, pull it further. There's first, boom, boom. Super easy. There's neutral, reverse, then park. Get all that. Really simple once you get the hang of it. I actually have no complaints about this shifter. Once you learn it, it really only takes a few drives. It is a joy to use. I've not had any misshifts with this automatic. I really like it. Let's drive it a little bit. I've got a couple of old clips, really brief, but it will show you the transmission, or excuse me, the shifter in action. So I'm going to go ahead and say thank y'all for watching this video. I hope it helped.